What's up guys? So welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Deepti GABA and today I'm here to talk about a beautiful smile. Well, how do you get a beautiful smile? Of course, your lips, your teeth have to look healthy. So for teeth, please go to the dentist. For lips, carry on watching this video. So I came across a new lip serum. God, that is something that can be used not just for girls, for boys, for men as well. I'll tell you why. Well, this is called a NAMYA lip serum. So I got two of them. So this is the NAMYA lip serum advanced brightening therapy. Now this can be used, of course, for nourishing your lips, moisturizing your lips, and improving the color of your lips, as in like if you have any discoloration because of smoking. Here comes where I'm talking about even men can use it. Of course females too do, but I'm talking about even men who feel like they need something, so that because females can cover their lips with the lipstick, but men can't. So that is why I'm saying that this is for men as well. And guys, oh my god, this is like, okay, so I'll just read how and what all does it claim. It says it lightens dark lips because of smoking. That is their first point. Then they repair and restore damage caused to lips, and brightens and evens out the skin tone of your lips to natural pink. Then is they moisturize and heal the chappy lips, which is like such a turn off. Trust me, if somebody is like coming close and I see that chappy lips, I'm like, no way. So, and it is 100% natural, cruelty free, and it has an expiry date of like 36 months, and it costs for 240 rupees. So I've just told you what all is there on the outer of this packaging. And it's a lip serum that is there to formulated to nourish, hydrate, and shield lips from harsh elements. Like even if there are some of the harsh chemicals in makeup, in cosmetics, that causes damage to your lips, well, here it is. Here is the God sent. So once we open, we get this tube. All right, so it again repeats the same thing that's there on the box. So what you do is you have here, and you just need to take this on the tip. Now what you're going to do is you have to just layer this up, have a thicker layer in the night before you're sleeping, and in the daytime you can just apply it like a normal lip balm. So let me just say, first you're going to see like little whitey stuff, but the way it melts to your lips is like just amazing. Look at that. So now you can see there is no color to the product, so that is why even men can use it, and it leaves your lips so healthy, so hydrated, so nourished. I just feel like this is something that needs to be there in everybody's pocket or bag, because everybody wants to hear this, that you've got a beautiful smile, and that you obviously get with this. And you see, I have been using this, and I really loved it. So I thought, why not to share with you guys. And I wanted to talk about it before that only, but then I thought maybe let me make a proper formal video and let you guys know everything about it. So now where to order? You go on Instagram and open their handle NAMYAASKINCARE, and there you get the link to Amazon, and you can see there is discount as well right now. I just came across, well, it is now showing 156 rupees. So you can just go and grab this offer. I feel like this is super good and keep smiling. And guys, if I come across any other product that is like mind-blowing, I'm gonna come here and tell you. So until next time, keep following me on my social handles: Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok. Please go follow me. And I would like to tell you, I give daily tutorials on my Instagram. Yes, daily makeup tutorials. So go follow me there. And very important thing, keep smiling with healthy lips. See ya.